Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SAYGOGO SUV air mattress. Great for traveling and camping, and that's going to be brought to you by Run Deals. And if you didn't already know, Run Deals has a really awesome app that if you download it, you can get access to a ton of awesome offers on exclusive products, a lot like the one that we're going to open up right now. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so it's going to come with an air pump. And then it comes with a little travel bag so you can put it back up whenever you're not using it. You guys, and it even comes with inflatable pillows. And then we have some sort of maybe glue. I'll have to read the instructions to see what this is, but it comes with a tube and a couple little patches. So I'm thinking maybe this is glue in case it rips, and then this is to like patch it up. Let's see how to use. Find the valve. Yes, it is a repair kit. So I was right. So let's inflate it, and my assistant is gonna help me inflate this thing. So let's get to it. Okay guys, really quick, it comes with an attachment, I guess for whenever it goes in between your seat. We're gonna see, so stay tuned for that. Pump mechanisms. Okay guys, and then the pump comes with a wall plug-in if you're, doing it at home, or a car plug-in. So that way if you're on the go, you can use this. Nice quality though, it's like velvety. Getting nice and thick. Okay guys, almost done with the inflation process. It is huge, so definitely gonna be really comfortable. More than one person can fit on that for sure. And then we're gonna go put it in the car so you guys will be able to see how that goes. Okay guys, and excuse my dirty back seat, but we are about to put the bed in and the little divider piece. Pillows are already there. So let's see how it looks inside. All right, y'all, so fits literally perfectly. Literally converts your whole back seat into a bed. So I don't even think that I need the divider piece. I think that it fits just fine, but if we were to put the divider in, it would just go down up by those front seats there to just support the head a little bit more. But you guys, this is amazing. Definitely gonna come in handy when camping or traveling with the car at all. So absolutely obsessed. Go get yours from Run Deals.